Hi everybody. Today we're going to talk about sleep. We know that in order to have a good day, we have got to have a good night's rest. So, for that reason, we're talking about popcorn, because popcorn is very sedating. Why? Because it has a full spectrum of B vitamins, it's specifically high in niacin, and it's also a starchy vegetable. And starches tend to make us feel a little bit more relaxed and sleepy. So what we do is we buy ready-made popcorn from our local farmers market. Buy any flavor that you like the best. We like the combination of white cheddar and movie popcorn. So this bowl represents a full sleeve of white cheddar and half of a sleeve of movie popcorn. Once you get the mixture that you like, the next thing that I recommend is that you chef it a little bit. We like to add our own little touches to it to even further enhance the quality of it for the benefit of the brain. So what we do is we take olive oil and we drizzle olive oil on it. We all like our popcorn to have that buttery experience, and the use of olive oil gives it that nice greasy buttery taste that we all know and love. The next thing we do, sunflower oil. We drizzle sunflower oil on. Why sunflower oil? Because of its high vitamin E content. Vitamin E is very nutritive for the brain. Next, flax oil. We drizzle flax oil because of its anti-inflammatory benefit. It's very rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Next, ground flax seeds. They have to be ground. They sell them whole, but you want to make certain that you buy the ground. Sprinkle those on again for the high omega-3 content as well as for its fiber-rich content. The other thing about flax seeds to know is that for those of us who are in those menopausal years, you may find that you sleep a little bit cooler because they also provide a good hormonal balancing quality as well. Next, garlic. Sprinkle garlic on. Why? Because it tastes so good, and also because garlic really helps you to stay healthy. You'll get a lot fewer colds by daily consumption of garlic. Next, pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt is the most mineral-rich salt available. Be sure to keep this in your cabinet and use it on your popcorn and use it in your cooking every day. Next, iodized sea salt. Why iodized sea salt? Now this is a personal preference of mine. I like the granular texture of it, and it also has a little bit more powerful of a salt taste that I like. So I like to use the combination of both. This one because it's so mineral rich, broad spectrum, the best salt you can buy. And this one just because I like the power and the texture. So you sprinkle this one on. And then you toss. Toss that all together. And then taste. And then if you need more of anything, of course you go back and just chef it to your own personal taste. Make it so that you love it and your loved one loves it. Betty loves the crunch of the popcorn. Makes her feel like a kid again. So, if you like this video, make certain that you like it, make certain that you subscribe, and make certain that you always bear in mind that our loved ones, they matter both in sickness and in health. One more thing, if there's any topics that you want us to cover, make certain that you include those in the comment section, and we'll do our best to respond to what our viewers are asking for. Thank you so much for going on this journey with us and for supporting our efforts to keep Miss Betty safe, happy, and doing spectacularly well.